Hello, my beautiful people. It's your girl, Dayla Marnay, and today I am back with another video. So as you know, I have been doing a series. So this is week 3 of how to start your digital product business as a beginner. In week 1, we talked about what is a digital product and why people create them. Then last week we talked about how to choose a digital product that actually solves a problem. So if you did your homework from last week, you should already have your digital product picked out. And if not, that's okay. Take your time. It's okay. But in this video, I will be showing you exactly how to create a digital product step by step inside of Canva. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be creating a simple weekly reset planner. So I'm going to be very intentional with keeping this beginner friendly. So that way by the end of this video, you can understand exactly how to create a digital product, and I want you to see that you do not need to create something complicated just for it to be the perfect first digital product that you create. So let's get into this video. So first we're going to open Canva and you're going to click the plus sign where it says create. For this planner, I'm going to be using US letter because I want the product to work well digitally while also giving the customer an option to print it out if they want to. For this planner, I'm going to do something simple and clean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Tools. I'm going to pick the box that has the rounded corners. And the color pattern I'm going to use for this planner is going to be pink and black. So I'm just going to adjust it. And make sure that it's centered. Then to give it a more realistic look, I'm going to go to Elements and I'm going to type in Spiral Binder. Click on Graphics. And they give you a lot of options. You can pick whichever spiral binder you want to choose. I'm just going to go with the simple black one. Now I'm going to move this to the side. So now we're going to click on text and then add a heading. Now we're going to type in weekly reset planner. Now I'm going to change the font. You could pick whatever font works best for you or whatever font that you like. I'm going to click this one. So now I'm going to go back to Elements, and this is where you're going to pick whatever designs you want on your cover. So for mine, I want to put flowers, and I'm going to scroll through and pick whatever flowers look best to me. And as you can see, Canva has a lot of options, so just scroll through, take your time, and pick whatever looks best to you. This is the final look of how my cover looks. Make sure that you duplicate each page while it's already blank, so that way you can create the next page with ease. So for the first page, I'm going to create a weekly schedule. I'm going to add Monday through Sunday so the user can see their entire week in one place. So we're going to click on Elements again, and we're going to scroll down, click where it says Grids, and we only need 2 columns, so we're going to click the 3 dots, and then where it says Delete Table, we're going to click that, and now we have our 2 sections. We're going to go through and add all the days of the week. And to make it quicker, I'm going to duplicate the same text, and then I'm going to go in and edit it after. For this last box, I'm going to add a section where they could put down any notes that they need to write down. So now we have our first page completed. We're going to move on to the next page. So for the next page, I'm going to create a weekly goals section. This section is going to help give them a little bit more structure through their week. So they're going to have a space for their top 3 goals and another section to write down what they want to accomplish during the week. Now to add lines, we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to put those right here, and we're going to duplicate the line, make sure that they have enough space to write. remember, the best thing to do to cut down time is to duplicate the same text and duplicate the same lines. And you can reuse those and then edit them. So now that we're done with the second page, we're going to move on. I'm going to create a simple to-do list so that way the person can add any important tasks that they need to do or that they need to get done that week. Next, I'm going to add a habit tracker. This is going to give the customer a way to track simple habits throughout their week that they want to stay consistent with. So say if you're creating a product specifically for students, you could create a study tracker. And if it's for business owners, you can create a business task tracker. going to change the color for each section. So my habit tracker is going to be for water, working out, reading, getting rest, healthy eating, and for meditating. Then I'm going to go in and add little designs. to go in and add a little note section down here. So this is the final look for the habit tracker. Now we're moving on to the final page, which is going to be a section for weekly reflection. Now this section is going to be for the customers that want to have a place to look back at through their week and a place to just reflect on how their week went. This section is also a great reminder that your product doesn't have to just be simply to give someone information. It can also help guide them through a process, through their day, through their week, or just any process in life in general. And a product like this can still be very valuable and very useful to someone who may need it. So we have our final page created. I'm going to click the 4 boxes at the bottom of the page. Now you can see that we have our core pages created. I don't need to recreate everything from scratch, so I'm going to show you a quicker way. This is where duplicating becomes very, very useful. As I told you before, duplicating actually helps cut down time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate my weekly goals page, my schedule, my to-do list, my habit tracker, and my reflection page. So what I did is I duplicated each page 4 times, so that way I can turn week 1 into week 2, week 3, and week 4. And I'm just going in and I'm putting each of the pages in order. This is one of the biggest time-saving techniques when you're creating planners or when you're creating any other product. I want you guys to understand that creating bigger product does not necessarily mean that you have to start over every single time. The good thing about it is that you could create it one time, you could duplicate it, customize, and organize, all within a short time span. So now that the planner is all finished, you're going to make sure that you go through, check your fonts, colors, spacing, make sure everything gets lined up, and check your spelling. So just go through and correct any flaws that you may see before downloading and uploading your product. So when you're done with that, you're going to click share. And since this is a planner, you're going to make sure that you export it as a PDF. So you're going to click the arrow where it says PNG, and where it says PDF, you're going to click that. You can see it says best for documents and printing. So you're going to click that one, and then you're going to click download, and that's it. So now you just officially created your first digital product. Okay, so be excited. You can either sell this digital product that you just created, that could be your first one, or you can create another one according to your liking or according to whatever you chose to create for your first product. It doesn't matter, but you can use that digital product that we just created together, okay? I hope this video showed you that creating a digital product does not have to be as complicated as it may seem. You don't need to know everything, and you don't need to create a huge 200+ page product for you to be able to sell a digital product. You could start with one problem, one idea, and one simple solution. And that's exactly what I'm going to continue to show you throughout this whole series. So now you went from understanding what digital products are to choosing an idea, and now you've officially created your very first digital product. Next, we're going to talk about exactly where you can sell your digital products and what you should look for when it comes to choosing the right platform to sell them on. So if you want to continue learning, make sure that you subscribe and turn on those post notifications, and make sure that you don't miss next week's video. And give yourself a pat on the back because you just created your own digital product that you can sell. Let me know down in the comments below, what digital product did you choose to create? But I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure that you stay tuned in. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.